Hi sisters! What's up? My name is Jasmine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't noticed, I've been gone for a minute. Reasons why? I'm just lazy. Today's video is going to be what I've seen on YouTube was where other beauty gurus are following other beauty gurus' little makeup routine or whatever. I decided to dedicate mine to James Charles. Hi sisters! Okay, so we're gonna watch the video and we're gonna follow his routine. I have all my makeup right here, so that's gonna be cool.
Hi sisters! Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys have
I'm gonna skip it.
To start off by priming my face today using my Benefit Professional Primer as
Okay, well I don't have the Benefit Professional, so I have a primer though.
I want to make sure that no matter how ghostly I am, my face still looks flawless AF.
So I'm gonna go and spray my face. You know, you just have to like really get it in there. Actually it doesn't taste that bad.
For foundation today, I'm going to be using one of my all-time favorites, and I'm going to be using this one from LA Girl. This is in the shade Whiteout. When picking your foundation,
I don't have LA Girl. But I went to the store and grabbed this. This is the closest foundation I could find. It's called White Body Paint. He's doing, put it on his little, yep. I think that should be enough. I think so. I'm not an expert. Blender, we're just gonna
foundation, it is super duper important that you pick a shade.
just dabbing it in. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna cover it back when I have my face flawless. I applied my foundation, and right now I'm just gonna let it set. Oh, it's kind of wet, so I'm just like pulling it off.
As you can tell.
Oh yeah, I got the perfect shade match. Look, Sephora who?
Everything is very, very even and super duper sculpted. So to do this, I'm going to grab the Kat Von D Concealer, also in the shade Whiteout. Really make sure you get it in there. We want to be...
I don't have the shade Whiteout because I'm a broke, but I'm gonna go in with the Color Tattoo eyeshadow in the shade Too Cool. Highlight my face. Has it right on the chin. My little chinny chin chin. This foundation is very, very tight. I'm back into our little destroyed beauty blender and we're gonna bounce it in. Like he's doing. I'm just following his tutorial because what not? I'm trying to go with a more natural look.
I don't know, you better stop!
Again.
I want to make sure to set it so we don't get any creases throughout the day. We need this to be super duper long lasting. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Makeup Forever Micro Finish HD powder.
I don't have the Makeup Forever Micro HD powder, so we're gonna go in, use our brush, and we're gonna set the rest of our face. The foundation and the concealer or eyeshadow, whatever, is really not doing me justice. It's not, you know, it's not at its full potential. Could do better.
Since my career is ending, I need all the help I can get, so please, sisters, make sure to use my code. I need the money. Thanks. With the contour, I couldn't really find an exact shade match, so I'm going to use the MAC Single Shadow in the shade Coquette and my Morphe R14 brush to snatch these cheekbones.
And with the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in like an OG. And I'm going to go with the Hoola bronzer. Because I'm the real makeup artist, James. His is a little bit gray. Mine's a little bit more warm toned. So, there's nothing wrong with going gray, honey. Yeah. I hope it does a job. You know what this foundation is doing for me, or this body paint? It's doing me justice. It's making me look like I have a jawline, but in reality, I don't. This will give you that summer kiss tan.
Now that we have all the contours set in place, I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face. This is an absolutely vital step. I mean, you really wanna make sure you're using a super good powder that doesn't have any flashback. Like I said before, it is super important that our face looks like the exact same color as our body. We don't want any embarrassing photos, and I don't know why that would even happen in the first place, but better to be safe than sorry. So today I'm gonna be using the Coty Airstone powder. It is so...
I don't have the Coty Airstone powder. I'm gonna go in again with my Laura Mercier, and we're gonna set this face. Set our face with our... I mean, Laura Mercier, there's no flashback. There's no flashback. So, it's a good fucking powder. Beautiful. Play this video again.
There's definitely no flashback as well. Like I said, guys, only a super duper tiny bit. And the next step is going to be to fill in these brows to get them nice and on fleek. I'm first going to start off by just drawing really, really light strokes, kind of like extending the tail a little bit. And then I'm just going to really lightly start to fill in and shape them.
I'm going to go in with my Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So we're just going to go in and do that. Define my brows like he said. Wants to go in and define the tip a little bit more. It's a long tip, but his brows are thick as so hold on. Yeah, that looks right. That look good. Yes. It's fine, sisters. It's fine, sisters. Brows are not always twins. They're sisters. So, okay. Damn. Close that hoe. Toss to the side. We're gonna follow the rest of the video.
Next, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that whiteout concealer from Kat Von D and just a flat top brush and just conceal under that brow to really like clean it up and make sure it is super duper, you know, like sharp and pointy, like ready to cut somebody, you know? All right, and that is...
I have it. Okay, we're gonna go in back with our concealer. And we're gonna define our brow. Just do my brows. That was a thing. This is before I was lazy. I'm still lazy, but can't tell I'm lazy. Look how far apart my videos are from each other. Anybody else trying to go out there? What's up? I mean, I look shocked a little bit, but in reality, I'm not. So.
Alright, and that is what I call an eyebrow that is so on fleek. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera quickly, and then I'll be right back. We can finish off the rest of the face.
Too bad.
The brows are both done. I just went ahead and wiped off the bake. Now for this look, I was not wearing any eyeshadow because of...
He didn't tell me. He wiped off the bake. Totally forgot I had it on. You don't want to have it too pale, you know? I wiped off the bake.
I'm a lazy and untalented makeup artist, so we're just going to go right ahead and
I'm lazy and untalented. I'm gonna skip that step because I lost my eyeliner. Actually, hold on. That's acceptable. That's acceptable. I like it a lot. Okay.
Both done and pretty even. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite pair of lashes. Today I'm gonna use the House of Lashes Iconics. Honestly, they're like pretty iconic. Just like me. Alright, and that is the eyes.
I have lashes, but I lost the glue. So we're just gonna go in with the Too Faced Size Queen Mascara. This bitch is wow. I'm just mad that I lost my falsies. You would have really brought this look to life.
Like me. Alright, that is the eyes all complete. Normally next I'd move on to highlighter, but like I said, I'm a lazy and untalented makeup artist, and let's be real, I'm just gonna face tune it on later anyway, so we're gonna move right along with the lips. For lips today, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sasha. Once again, code James.
Boom. Sasha's just a little bit too plain for me, so I'm just gonna go in it real quick. I look like I'm from Jersey Shore.
To finish off this super easy look, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. It is so good and it's super mattifying as well. The last thing we want is to look like an oil slick. We really want to look matte as the Sahara Desert.
Oh, okay. We're not gonna look matte as the Sahara Desert. We're just gonna look a little bit dewy. So we're gonna go back in with our Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. So, hold on, wait.
And only like a little bit is fine. Like a little goes a really, really long way.
A little bit goes a long way. Wow, I feel like I took a shower.
Alright sisters, and this is the completed makeup look for today. It's just like a super easy, light, beautiful glam.
Oh, he has a hat. Let me put on my hat. Okay, I put on his hat, I put on my hat. Barely fits, but it's fine.
Now let's take some photos and show you guys how it turned out.
He took like different angle photos, so let's do that real quick. Okay, just took some photos, so just want to be just like you. We're gonna watch the rest of the video, so.
And if you get over how much those photos slay, totally Instagram ready, that's like 200,000 likes right then and there. So since I love you,
for me, it's like 2 likes, so
freaking much, I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a bonus twist on this makeup tutorial. Like I said before, there's been so many pictures of me going around, and one of them that's gone pretty viral is a picture of me in the new movie that I'm starring in. There's a new movie coming out called It. It's written by Stephen King, and it is a horror movie. You guys know I love horror, and I am so excited to announce that I am officially starring in the lead role of the movie.
hi sisters!
Hi sisters, James Charles here.
You know, we're just gonna skip till the end.
Alright sisters, I really hope you guys enjoyed me doing these.
Oh my god, he changed it up on us. He changed it up on us. That's not right. Hold on, sisters. We'll be right back. We're just gonna go in with my Smashbox.
Excuse me, bitch!
Smashbox lip liner. We're gonna draw a red nose. Okay. I got the red nose on. I look just like you, James. Okay, let's watch the rest of the video.
Most clowns don't wear nude lips, but you know what? I'm gonna move scene type stuff. You can follow me at James.
Okay. Bye. I look like a mime.